On March 3rd, 1821, Thomas L. Jennings became the first black to be granted a patent in the United States for his dry cleaning technique, the dry scourge. A little more history on Thomas Jennings. He was born in 1791. He was an African-American tradesman and abolitionist in New York City. He operated and owned a tailoring and dry cleaning business. Jennings was extremely active in working for his race and civil rights for the black community. In 1831, he was selected as Assistant Secretary to the first annual Convention of People of Color in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, which met in June 1831. He helped arrange legal defense for his daughter, Elizabeth Jennings, in 1854 when she challenged a private streetcar company segregation of seating and was arrested. She was defended by a young Chester A. Arthur and won her case the next year. With two other prominent black leaders, Jennings organized the Legal Rights Association in 1855 in New York City, which raised challenges to discrimination and organized legal defense for court cases. He founded and was a trustee of the Abyssinian Baptist Church and a leader in the black community. Jennings built a business as a tailor and dry cleaner and was well respected in the community. He developed his dry scourging for cleaning clothes, for which he applied and received the patent from the state of New York on March 3rd, 1821. He spent his early earnings on legal fees to purchase his wife and children out of enslavement. Their daughter Elizabeth Jennings was born free in March 1827 and became a school teacher and church organist. Jennings also supported the abolitionist movement and became active in working for civil rights for free blacks. He worked tirelessly on issues related to immigration to other countries, opposing the colonization in Africa as proposed by the American Colonization Society, and supported the expansion of suffrage for black men. Now, this is the key part I want you to realize. Jennings' success in gaining a patent resulted in a considerable amount of controversy. The U.S. patent laws of 1793 stated that the master is the owner of the fruits of the labor of the slave, both manual and intellectual. Thus, slaves could not patent their own inventions. The efforts of the slave would be the property of their master. But Thomas Jennings was a free man, so he gained exclusive rights to the process, or to his process. And in 1861, Congress passed a law to extend patent rights to the enslaved. This is your Black History Moment.